it's Tanya. Welcome back to Crafty Cards and Journals. Today I am in my wellness journal. It's an Archer and Olive. I love it, and I'll link in the description box below the video where I set this up originally. And what I want to do today is start setting up for this first week of July, and then I'm going to put a few little updates inside my sleep tracker. I'm not going to put anything super confidential or anything like that, but that's what I want to do. So I'm going to get this little hand and hold this down. And first, I want to set up Tuesday because that is the beginning of July. Can you believe it? That is today, okay? Now, I can't update everything in here because I haven't completed everything for the day. I'm filming on July 1st, okay? I thought this would be really cute. I got this at the Dollar Tree years ago. Sometimes with Dollar Tree washi, it doesn't like to stick very well, so we will see it. You can always put glue on it if it doesn't want to stick, but I thought this just looked really upbeat, and that's really what I want for this. Now, my reading journal, I put scrapbook paper on the top, but I didn't want to do that for this one. I may change it up later, but right now, that's not what I want to do. I think that is really cute, okay? And let's see, I just have a couple different items pulled out here. I wanted to definitely bring that yellow in because it makes it so much more vibrant, I think. And I think I'll take a little bit of this pink. And some of this is from Journal Say or Doodle Diaries. And I have affiliate links in the description box below. And some of them contain coupon codes. So if you're going to shop there anyway, I would love it if you'd use my codes, okay? So I'm going to, and I made these little stickers with my Cricut. I always use the Avery little labels, but this time I use the DIY matte labels, and you can tell a difference from this one to this one. This is just the plain Avery shipping labels, and this is the DIY sticker labels, and I don't think it's as white as the other if you compare both of them. All right, where am I going to put Tuesday? I put it right here. I just wanted this wellness journal to look very happy and festive when I get in it, because it's going to take a lot of festivity to get me to want to do this. All right, get my tweezers, and then I'll put Tuesday right there. It's really hard to see when you're filming and doing this, okay? Now, could have been over a little bit more, but I'll take it. What I want to do next, and I made all these little stickers. I think they're so cute. I want to put a water bottle because I bought a big Stanley 40-ounce tumbler to get my water in, okay? And it is, I'm trying, let's just say that. All right, and then I'm going to put how much I walk. Did I take my vitamins and all that? Cricut is a very handy little tool to have. And anyway, I got that Stanley tumbler so I can drink a lot of water. So instead of just putting a ton of bottles, if I do my 40 ounces, I'm going to go up there. I'm trying to do 2 40 ounces. Now, I am in no way giving medical advice or telling you what to do. You should always consult your doctor before you start any exercise routine or take vitamins or even drink more water. You need to, because different people have different things going on. So I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. All right, so here is that, my treadmill, my water bottle. This is for my vitamins. I used to be so good about taking vitamins, and I just kind of fell off doing what I should be doing. So trying to get better. And this is for my Apple Watch to see if I can close my rings in. Once I get up to walking like I want to, I shouldn't have any problems, I wouldn't think. Okay, so there is Tuesday. Now I can tell you, I've already had 40 ounces of water because it's later in the day. So I'm going to color my water. What color do I want to put my water? Maybe this really pretty blue. So I'm just going to color this in. And then hopefully I'm going to drink 40 more ounces. I don't know. It's kind of hard for me to get the first 40 down. We'll see, okay? But that's my 40 ounces of water. Now on the treadmill, I always start slow on the treadmill because I have joint issues and things like that. So I only did like a half a mile. So I'm going to write half a mile right there. And then my vitamins, yes, I did take my vitamins, and I'm going to take this mild liner and just fill this in because I think it's fun. And if I enjoy at least coloring this in, it'll make taking the vitamins more tolerable, okay? And then for this, on my watch, I don't have my watch in here, but, well, I'll have to fill this out once I get my watch. I don't have it in here right now. Okay, so then what I want to do is put reflection down here. I want each day to have their own page. You could put 2 on a page if you want, but with my reflection, I'm going to need the room. And then we'll go ahead and set up the rest of the days through the week after I do fill this out. Now, I really kind of wish that I had put that in the center, so I'm going to see if I can get it up because it is bothering me. Even after I said it really wasn't going to bother me, it's bothering me. Okay. So there's Tuesday, there's reflection. Now out from reflection, I may put something, or I may take a mild liner and color it. I'm not sure. So what I want to do on the reflection is when I picked up I think it's the self-care that came from Archer and Olive, that this book came, these stamps came. I got some washi and I got a pen that wrote in gold. I want to put the date here, and I didn't do that. Okay. So I think I'm just going to put the date. I'm going to use these little stickers to put the date down. Because to be honest, I forgot to make them with my Cricut. So I was like, well, that's okay. I'll just put it like there. And I'm just going to use my VersaFine Clair to kind of pull in. It's fallen leaves, so it's really not black, but that way it'll bring in a little bit of that neutral color, okay? So I like that. I think that turned out really well, and then I'll have room to either put another bottle or just write, if I get to the 80 ounces, put 80 ounces. I'm not going to drink any more than that. I can promise you that. All right, so reflection, what I want to do is Archer and Olive also in that kit came with these prompt cards. You got 20, and they're really pretty on the back, and this just is really pretty. So I just picked out one. It says, nature's calm. Write about a time when being in nature made you feel calm and peaceful. What did you notice, hear, and feel in the moment? And then it gives you an activity. Step outside and spend 5 to 10 minutes observing nature, whether it's in a park, your backyard, or simply observing the sky. Focus on what you hear, see, and feel, and how it affects your mood. So what I thought I would do is take this. You could either save this prompt card and just, write that in there, or write it under here. I was thinking about maybe seeing about cutting this so it would fit. I mean, I'm making more work for myself, but you could also just glue this in your book, but I don't really think I want to do that. Stamp that and then cut around it. Let's try that. I wonder if I can see well enough. Okay. And I wonder if it will dry on this. Well, we will see. I don't think this is going to dry because this is coated. I blotted it, but I really don't think it's going to dry. I think that was a bad idea. Okay, note to self, it won't dry on that. So, what I could just do is take my scissors. I just wiped it. And I'm not going to do that anymore. I'll just glue them in there. And it would be really pretty, so. And you could also just write what this prompt says if you wanted. I think this is going to be all right. You know, that's really cute, though. It didn't ruin it. It just gave it more interest, I think. Okay, I finally got it to where it's not going to wipe off. All right, just so that I think it would be easier for me, I'm going to put this, I like it better over here. Don't ask me why, but I do. But I'm going to put it right here and then write, well, no, I could write that. It wouldn't matter. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. And I asked the other day if anybody had any suggestions for glue sticks. And one of you mentioned the, what is it, the Scotch permanent glue stick, but to try the wrinkle-free. I'm still going to try that, but I already had ordered this Gloo, Gloo, and I'm going to try it. It's not supposed to bother anything, and it's cute. So I'm going to put it right on here. This is the wrinkle-free as well. Now, like I said, I would not recommend stamping around that. Really bad idea. Let me see if anything else is going to come off. I think I've gotten it off for the most part. Okay, so then I want to take my pen. All right, and I'm just going to write, because one activity that I can remember that was very relaxing, I was out by the pool, the birds were chirping, the wind was blowing, my flowers were in bloom, and it was wonderful. That is today done, except I need to work on this. I'm not through with that. Not through with my water. Now let's go ahead and set up the rest. Well, I can't do my step. Well, I can do my step tracker. I still haven't figured out how I'm going to do it. I'm going to color code it, but so I don't forget, I'm going to put a half mile right there, and then I'll give it some color. I'm not sure what. I'll do this off camera. I can't tell you how I slept because I haven't gone to bed yet. My mood tracker, I can fill this out. This, I'm never going to show this. Okay, my mood tracker is really simple. I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay, that is very easy. And down here, I just put purple around it because I didn't like that dark green. All right, so I did that. So let's go ahead and set up Wednesday. And I think I'm going to use, a lot of this is going to be Dollar Tree washi. Oh yeah, I didn't highlight or anything. I need to do that on that other, beside that other one. Was going to do that. I think it would make it so fun. So what do I want to, or I don't really want to do washi. I think I'm going to do this purple. Okay, this is how my wellness journal is turning out. I went ahead, figured out that 3 miles is going to be purple, 1 mile blue, and a half a mile pink. So for the 1st of July, I have walked a half a mile. Like I said, I have to ease into it because I have a few little issues that I have to deal with, and then I can just take off once I ease into it and do 3 miles a day, 4 miles a day. It doesn't matter, okay? Then I really like how this page turned out with my reflection. And then I'm doing much better with my water. Drank 40 ounces so far today. Today's not over. And I took my vitamins and I walked that half mile. And this is really fun because it gets you, it puts your mind back into that area, that point of time where you felt very relaxed and happy, okay? And then here we go. We did Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I still have to print out some more of these smartwatch trackers. If you enjoyed this wellness journal with me, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.